Plate width angle after input plate. Click the required parameters for bridge settings. Click the required parameters for bridge settings. Click confirm. Click the required parameters for bridge settings. Plate width angle after input plate. The machine starts to automatically bend the sheet metal. Step on the foot switch. Starter start switch. The machine starts to automatically bend the sheet metal. After the folding is completed, the plate is automatically pushed into the discharging rack. Foot switch off operation. Foot switch off operation. Off the switch. Hand-cranked mechanical compensation. The longboard requires hand-cranked compensation. For example, 20 is 20 wires. Foot switch off operation.